Chuck here from Alaskan Ballistics, running the Glock 43. These are the ETS tactical mags. They are a single stack, sorta, Glock 43 mag, supposed to be sticking out of the gun. And you can see right there, the rounds are a little bit staggered in there. That's why I said single stack, sorta. And you can see they kind of stagger funny in there. You'd think it'd be one over the other, one after the other. And I'm a little concerned because this spring here, as you can see, a little bit wobbly underneath there. I am not sure this is going to function right, but we'll throw it in the Glock and see what happens. These mags have a pretty good reputation. People use them in other guns, the Glock 19 and ARs and everything else. So we'll see what the Glock 43 mags do. Hi y'all, Chuck from Alaskan Ballistics. We have the Glock 43 ETS mags. These are the 12 round mags. Stick out. Alright, so I got it right there, it's sticking out. Alright, here we go. First mag through was a success. We're using Herder's 115 grain from Cabela's. Alright, we'll do another mag. Alright, here we go. Second mag, Herder's ammunition, Glock 43, second mag full, ETS tactical mag. Not bad. This is the third mag. My friend Carl is here. He's helping me video today. He actually works at Alaskan Ammo. Alright, so make sure you check them out. Alright. Now, we're using his Glock 43 and the ETS mags. And we're going to see if they're reliable out of different guns. Not just mine, but also his. He's got some nice grip tape on here. Alright. Make sure you join Glock 43 and Hollow Points online. Alright, on Facebook. You get all the Glock 43 discussions, all the cool things that people have done to them. Alright, here's the ETS mags. Not bad. Herder's ammo. 2 Glock 43s, 3 magfuls so far, no jams. Alright, here we go. We got Carl, Alaskan Ammo, his own Glock 43. He's going to shoot some with the ETS mags. Go. Nice.
That is cool.
Did it hold open?
Yeah, I automatically drop the bag, release the slide.
Alright, you can see in the slow motion video here, sorry it's an old camera, it kind of cuts out the sound, that the spring is uncompressing correctly, feeding with each round. Carl has good technique, is reliably feeding the rounds. Go visit Carl over at Alaskan Ammo on Commerce if you're in Anchorage. It's a great little store, and you can just see that The magazines are good. They're probably going to start carrying them at some point. So if you have a Glock 43 here in Alaska, if you want to order online, their website is 10mm below. I don't think this one holds open on the last round, but I think that's probably Carl accidentally hitting the slide release with his thumb. But it may or may not be. So check that out and go see him, and you'll absolutely love these magazines for plinking. Okay, so my final thoughts on the ETS 12-round Glock 43 magazines. Overall, they're pretty good. I'm going to give them a 3.5 out of 5 stars. They're a little less sturdy, and that spring compression is a little weird, and it worries me if I've stored them over the long time. Positives are it has more rounds and reliable feeding. I might leave these unloaded and just keep them around in case a major catastrophe happens and I need them. Then I could load them up if I had the time. And so I think overall they're good for plinking and a good buy.